first formulated the concept of vitamins in 1912? Right answer is Casimir Funk. Which of the following statements is true for vitamins? Right answer is vitamins are organic substances which cannot mostly be synthesized by animals. Vitamins are classified as. Right answer is both A and B, that is water soluble and fat soluble vitamins. Which of the following vitamins are water soluble? Right answer is vitamin B and C. Which of the following vitamins are fat soluble? Right answer is all of these, that is vitamin A, D, E and K. All are fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in. Right answer is liver. Which one of the following vitamins is synthesized by our body in the presence of sunlight? Right answer is vitamin D. What is the chemical name of vitamin D? Right answer is calciferol. The deficiency of vitamin D causes. Right answer is both B and C, that is rickets and osteomalacia. Which of the following is a good and rich source of vitamin A and D? Right answer is cod liver oil. Which vitamin helps in coagulation of blood? Right answer is vitamin K. Who discovered vitamin K? Right answer is Henrik Dam. What is the chemical name of vitamin K? Right answer is phylloquinone. Almonds are rich in which of the following vitamins? Right answer is vitamin E. What is the chemical name of vitamin A? Right answer is retinol. Which among the following is known as provitamin A? Right answer is beta carotene. Which of the following is good source of vitamin A? Right answer is carrot. Which vitamin is also known as anti-infection vitamin? Right answer is vitamin A. Which of the following vitamins acts as hormone? Right answer is vitamin D. Deficiency of which vitamin develops infertility? Right answer is vitamin E. What is the chemical name of vitamin E? Right answer is tocopherol. What is the chemical name of vitamin D3? Right answer is cholecalciferol. Sailor plague is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? Right answer is ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. The only vitamin with metal in it? Right answer is vitamin B12. Which metal is present in vitamin B12? Right answer is cobalt. What is the chemical name of vitamin B12? Right answer is cobalamin. What is the chemical name of vitamin B1? Right answer is thiamine. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B1? Right answer is beriberi. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Right answer is vitamin E, reproduction. Which vitamin contains nitrogen? Right answer is vitamin B. Which vitamin is present in rainwater? Right answer is vitamin B12. Riboflavin is the chemical name of which vitamin? Right answer is vitamin B2. Deficiency of vitamin B2 causes? Right answer is chillosis. What is the chemical name of vitamin B3? Right answer is niacin. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin B3? Right answer is pellagra. Which vitamin is most likely to be destroyed when food materials are roasted, boiled or fried? Right answer is vitamin C. What is the chemical name of vitamin B5? Right answer is pantothenic acid. Vitamin H is commonly known as? Right answer is biotin. What is the chemical name of vitamin B7? Right answer is biotin. Vitamin B complex consists of how many vitamins? Right answer is 8. Gooseberry is a rich source of which vitamin? Right answer is vitamin C. Which disease is caused by eating polished rice? Right answer is beriberi. In human systems, vitamins cannot? Right answer is supply energy. What is the chemical name of vitamin B9? Right answer is folic acid. The deficiency of which vitamin causes increased fragility of RBCs and muscular weakness? Right answer is vitamin E. What is the chemical name of vitamin B6? Right answer is pyridoxine. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B6? Right answer is convulsions. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A? Right answer is both A and B, that is xerophthalmia and night blindness. Which vitamin is also known as sunshine vitamin? Right answer is vitamin D. Which vitamin is also known as beauty vitamin? Right answer is vitamin E. Vitamin B9, that is folic acid, is essential for the production of? Right answer is both A and B, that is DNA and RBC. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B12? Right answer is pernicious anemia. Which of the following vitamin can be stored in our body? Right answer is vitamin B12. Which of the following is an essential component of coenzyme A? Right answer is pantothenic acid. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Right answer is vitamin B6 beriberi. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B1. Vitamin that is excreted through urine. Right answer is vitamin C. Which one of the following is an important source of vitamin E? Right answer is wheat germ oil. Which vitamin is required for calcium absorption? Right answer is vitamin D. The vitamin whose content increases following the conversion of milk into curd by lactic acid bacteria is? Right answer is vitamin B12. Which of the following vitamins is known as ergocalciferol? Right answer is vitamin D2. Thanks for watching.